Hey everyone, Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Mortgage Dictionary. Today I want to talk to you guys about down payment assistance. This is a very hot topic these days. There's some new down payment assistance programs that came out and a lot of people are asking questions. So I want to cover the two different types of down payment assistance that you'll see out there. So type one is going to be a second mortgage that you'll get on top of your first mortgage. This could be combined with a USDA, conventional F.H.A, VA loan. It's basically going to give you a second mortgage that you are not going to make payments on most times. It'll accrue interest, but it'll just be sitting there silent, so you're not making payments. That's going to generate the funds it's going to give you for down payment and closing costs, and the amount that it gives you could range depending on the down payment assistance you take advantage of. That type of loan is going to be required to be paid back if you were to refinance, move out of the property as your primary residence, or sell the property. So that's something you'll eventually have to pay back. It does accrue the interest over time, but you're not paying it. Second type of down payment assistance is going to be what they call a grant. So this is going to be monies that they'll give you a certain percentage on top of your first mortgage. You're not going to make payments on that. And a lot of times on the grants, you don't have to pay it back unless you were to actually move out of the property before a certain amount of time. So a lot of times it'll be if you live in the property as your primary residence for 3 years, you'll have that money that was given to you forgiven. Now with the grant programs, a lot of times you'll see a higher interest rate on the first mortgage, and on the standard second mortgage down payment assistance, you'll see a more standardized interest rate on the first mortgage. The fees tend to be higher for these types of programs than just if you were to come in with your own down payment. So we always do like to try and show people like their options if they were to try and access a 401k or get a gift from a family member or just continue to save up, because down payment assistance isn't always the best fit for everyone. So this is Mortgage Dictionary, and I hope that you guys enjoyed that about down payment assistance.